Hello, my name is Lorraine Dawes, a faculty member at ORI, and I'm here to introduce an upcoming course entitled In Search of Feeling Real, the British and American Independent Traditions Explored. The course will critically examine the central psychoanalytic tenets of both the British and American independent traditions, starting with the seminal work of Ian Suti and Sandor Ferenczi on the taboo against tenderness and the confusion of tongues. The course will move to the independent tradition's unique approach to the early facilitating environment, revisions to general psychoanalytic praxis, the importance of countertransference, the ontological dimensions inherent in psychoanalytic contact, and the importance of feeling alive. Seminal writers such as Ronald Fairbairn, Christopher Bollas, Michael Baylant, Nina Coulthard, Neville Symington, Patrick Casement, Robert Grossmark, and Michael Parsons will serve as guideposts in exploring the British and American independent traditions. We hope to see you there.